how to fix the Snapchat login problem on Android and iOS. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now the first thing that you want to do is just go to the settings and then just scroll down. On iOS you just have to go to general and then iPhone storage. I think on Android you can just go to the apps in the settings. Then right here just select Snapchat, and on iPhone you want to offload the app, and on Android you want to clear the data and cache. So just offload the app, and yeah, once you've done that you can just go back. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is just update Snapchat to the latest version. You just have to go to the App Store or Play Store and just search for Snapchat and see if there's an update. If it still doesn't work, then just delete the whole app and just install it, and hopefully that will work. So that's how you can hopefully fix the Snapchat login problem on Android and iOS. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.